I have an idea I'd like to patent, but building a prototype is beyond my ability, both technically and financially. To get an idea of the issues, think about intermittent wipers. Can an application be filed with basically a PowerPoint presentation? Short answer is yes. An application could be filed with, a small amount of information, but it's not going to be all that valuable. A patent application, even a provisional, its main purpose is to hold your place and is to allow that priority date. So the information submitted in your provisional must encompass what you eventually want to get a patent on. And so if you only file a real thin surface level, not a lot of details, no meat on the bone description of your invention, you're not going to be able to claim priority back to your provisional. And so, do it like you said, quick PowerPoint. It's not going to really meet the bar in most cases to substantiate, be able to claim back to that later on. What I would say is if you've got an issue prototyping, getting a solid provisional patent application is going to be a way to go, so long as you've done the research to say this is patentable or not. To see this step even before filing that, doing a solid search to look and see, is this invention, how different is it from the prior art, from other patents, other publications on the same subject matter. So you have a really clear idea in terms of here's what I think I could get a patent on, and knowing how to craft that provisional. It's a really awesome way to go. Instead of just covering the whole thing about the product or system solution you got, instead you're going to focus on just what you think is novel. And it helps you really focus in and get more, granular on the detail, where to focus on, how to even show pictures, drawings. They can be informal, which is wonderful. You can save a lot of time and money not paying for really high-end CAD drawings, and a provisional get you locked in. That's the time, once you're patent pending, you can start reaching out to fabricators, manufacturers, or even raising money to go, like you said, financially go raise some money to get it built. And that's the time where you can go test it, build it, iterate. And if you've done it right, your final product, once you've got it, hopefully within a year, you can file the non-provisional, and it'll stand on the shoulders of your provisional that you filed.